Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to insert a column chart in Excel in just a few quick steps. I'll be walking you through this on Excel for Windows, but the process is identical on Mac. Start by selecting your data range. Click on the first cell with your header, then drag all the way across and down to highlight everything you want in the chart, including the headers. Those will become your axis labels and legend. Once the entire range is highlighted, you're ready to move on. Next, click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. In the Charts group, you'll see a button that looks like a small column chart. Click on it. This might be labeled Insert Column or Bar Chart, depending on your version. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear showing you different column chart types. You'll see two main sections, 2D column and 3D column. Under 2D column, click on the first option, which is Clustered Column. This is the most common type and the easiest to read. Excel generates your chart and places it on your worksheet. You'll see it displayed with your data visualized as columns, complete with a title, axes, legend, and grid lines. You can click and drag the chart to reposition it anywhere on the sheet. Here are a few useful things to know. You can edit the chart title by clicking directly on the text and typing a new name. If you want to add or remove elements like grid lines or a data table, click the plus icon that appears on the right side of the chart when it's selected. That opens the Chart Elements menu. If your data isn't in a continuous block, you can select one range, hold down Control, and select additional ranges to include them in the chart. And if you want to change colors or apply a different style, the Chart Design tab appears at the top when your chart is selected. That's where you'll find all the styling options. That's how to insert a column chart in Excel.